Lemon ke ufake makeup le pink. Ifuna ama yellow bone leyo. Hayi. Nina butak na istrosh. Butak tindi na. Doesn't work, eh? Pink on black. No. Hayi. Ene enye into khona lento enifaka la. Lemon ke ufake makeup le pink. Ifuna ama yellow bone leyo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ukabza the sumole engaza amantombazane la Mzansi after video yakhe la bekakhuluma khona ngokuthi amantombazane la dark akumila asebenzisa iblush le pink because mabasebenzisa iblush bavele bahlekisa iblush le pink ifuna ama yellow bone yabo. So when the video yakhuluma lokho wayiposta lapha ku TikTok la beyakhuluma khona ngaloko, and most people were saying ukuthi usijwayela kabi wena Kabza the Small, ungena bona endzabeni tebafati uhlanganaphi wena nema blush. So most ladies nkosi yami they started dragging him saying ukuthi wena ngalesikhathi utrenda ubathi you have a small totoloza, azange thene sakhuluma ngawe, azange thene asangihleka nyaluto siphaphela wena uyindoda nje uhlangana nema blush. Wabonephi ma blush wena ukhona ngilokucheater wena. So most people are just dragging him nkosi yami bathi ukhona ngilokucheater, ukhona ngilokuhlezi utrenda ukuthi namdlulele nazibani namhla usimeshe zibani kube bayasho ukuthi you have a small atotoloza, bayasho ukuthi totoloza ayikho ayibonakali ayikho nje kwakabi khona. So people were dragging Kabza. So some people were asking lapha kuma comment section ukuthi why you guys offended ngalokukhulunywa ngKabza the Small because ukhuluma iqiniso ndark inhlanganaphi nema blush la pink. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.